This course will teach you how to 3D model with nodes inside of Cinema 4D while 3D modeling a countertop, so you can create parametric complex models with ease. And you don't need to be a brainiac to learn how to do this inside of Cinema 4D, to know how to work with nodes inside of Cinema 4D. You just need a coach that will teach you how to do a front kick before expecting you to do a tornado kick, and practice that. We're going to work our way up with a solid foundation and cover a new node each day of this class. The nodes mesh is a foundational node that will really help you create anything inside of Cinema 4D, so it's a great way to start. And that'll be the first node we use for this project. If you have any questions at all throughout this course, please feel welcome to drop them in the comments below so that I can go ahead and help you out. So here we are inside of Cinema 4D. You'll notice that if I click on something else within the scene, this is empty, but if I click on the nodes mesh, you'll see all of the nodes in here. So the nodes mesh, in a sense, is grouping all your nodes together, nice and neat, in order to create a mesh. So it's actually pretty simple, this first node here, and it's the foundation for creating any mesh with nodes inside of Cinema 4D. Now we're going to be creating a new project in order to 3D model this countertop here. So first you'll want to make sure that, let's start a new project. First you'll want to make sure that you're in your nodes UI as we discussed in the first video. And then make sure that you have your asset browser open. You can open it and close it by clicking this here. And under this option, Asset Construction, you'll see your nodes mesh is listed. So this is one of the foundational things to create a mesh. So we'll drag and drop this into our objects. And now that I have this selected, you'll see it shows up in the Attributes Manager. We have our basic properties as we would with any other 3D model, node or not, coordinates, and it of course comes with a Phong tag. You can check out the episode on Phong if you are unfamiliar with that. I'll leave a link to that in the description. But here we are, and if you want to begin to see an actual mesh within your scene, well, you can pretty much drag and drop any geomesh, like this cone, for example, and click on this port and connect it to the geometry up here, and you'll begin to see your model appear within your scene. Speaking of geomeshes, we're going to be talking about that even more in the next lesson. Now you are a master of the nodes mesh inside of Cinema 4D. If you'd like to continue on with this project and learn another node, the next episode will be about the cube node. So I hope to see you there. Click this link here to go ahead and join.